add the oil. After the oil is heated up, you can add the mustard and the cumin seeds. Add the onions. Add a little bit salt just so you can get the onions to saute quicker. So you saute it until it turns golden brown. For all meat curries, you need the onions to be well brown so it doesn't feel very fresh with the onion. The onions are browned a little bit. You can add the chilies and the garlic and ginger paste. And add the masalas. So I have here the chili powder, the yellow turmeric powder, and the garam masala. I didn't use a lot of it, just a little bit. For this curry you don't need a lot of the masalas. And then you add the tomato paste. You get this in a can in the store. And it looks like this. So I put the flame on low so it doesn't burn. The masala and everything has been cooked right. And then I add what you call kasturi methi. This is the leaves of fenugreek, which is something that looks like this. So that is what gives the flavor of the butter chicken in here. Alrighty, looks like it's all set. The next thing that we have to add is the chicken. I can put it up to a higher heat. And add a little bit more salt. So I've got about 4 pieces of chicken legs here, thighs. cut it into small pieces. And then basically you sit and wait for a little bit for the chicken to cook. We'll give it a lid close and just wait for it to cook. Okay, so you have to just stir in occasionally so it doesn't really stick to the pan. And looks like the meat is about half done. You can pour the coconut milk. So this is coconut powder and I just mixed it with water to make coconut milk. You can use canned coconut milk too, but I find this one a little more easy to manage. Then see how much gravy you would want for the curry. I'm just going to pour a little bit more water because I don't see enough gravy in it. Okay. I can smell that it's very much similar to butter chicken because we have the methi leaves in here and the tomato paste. I'm going to turn up the heat a little bit and then close it and cook it a little bit more. Okay, looks like the chicken is ready. It's about cooked. So this took about 30-35 minutes for me to cook proper, and I like the consistency of the gravy as well. So this is coconut chicken curry with a twist of butter chicken flavor. This will go well with naan or rice, and the kids will like it because it's not too spicy and it can be substituted for butter chicken. There you go.